Hey guys, I needed new trucks, and so I bought some, and I got them right here. Got the box. They're trucks, like I just said. The reason why I got these is because my other trucks broke. Let me show you. My other trucks broke, and they broke right here. Look at that. They broke right there, and your truck's is supposed to be like this, right? But if you look, it broke. And how I like to put it like this because I'm gonna frame it soon. But how it broke is I was just skating outside doing flat ground. I'm so mad that I didn't film this, but just skating, right? And I do a nollie back heel flip, and I land bolts, and I hear a boom, and I fly off my skateboard, and I look back, and my skateboard's on its side, and I'm like, what the heck? Why is it on its side? And I lift it up, and my truck's backwards, or apparently, and yeah, I got new trucks. I had other trucks on this board. I got these trucks, but these trucks, every time when I've tightened them, they've loosened. Like I ride around, they get looser and stuff like that, and I don't like that. And I rather have those trucks for backup trucks. I'd rather have main trucks and then have these for backup. They work just fine. I just rather have them for backup trucks. So let's open this box. Okay, change the angle, and I'm gonna use my T-tool to open this box. I probably didn't mention this, but I got Crux trucks. I've always wanted to try these trucks for some reason because they look cool. It's still opening with the little thingy. Boom, got it open. Oh, they gave me bubble wrap. Oh, it doesn't pop. Oh, it pops. It pops a little bit. Yeah. You actually like bubble wrap? Whoa. Hey, the hollow light's good. I like it. Whoa. You see that? Whoa. These look so cool. Look at the bottom too. These look so cool. It looks like were made out of skateboards. It's probably what they're supposed to look like. I'm gonna skate these. Oh yeah. 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 I am going to have so much fun skating these things. Skating these Crux trucks. They look so cool. I thought the little circle, the oval thing in the middle, was gonna be a lot bigger, but that's probably on different trucks. But that is really cool. I'm just blown away how cool this looks for some odd reason. Because I saw this on the computer, and I was like, well, that looks cool. It looks so much better in person. And it's gonna feel so good doing your first grind on it too. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm way excited. Oh my gosh, let's set the board up, shall we? boom, there you have it. I got my trucks. That looks so cool. Got my trucks. I guess I can tell you my loadout. Bones wheels was 52 millimeter wheels, but they're probably smaller. Revive skateboard 8-inch, and Red Bones bearings. So yeah, what do you do when you get so when you get a new board, kickflip test? When you get new shoes, I guess kickflip test, or an ollie north test. I guess 50-50 test. I'll see what time it is, and I got time. Let's do the 50-50 test. Let's go. Dude, they're super loose. They're hecka loose. My goodness. Man, they are, wow, you cannot see me. They're super loose. I thought they were super tight, but they are super loose. I'm going to do a 50-50, maybe a 5-0, maybe a nose slide, and I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to be done for tonight, and I'm going to try to break them in as I ride to work tomorrow, even though I feel like I'm going to get wheel bite while I'm leaning. But maybe I'll tighten them tonight for a little bit. But you should tighten them when they're broken in all the way. But they feel like they're broken in all the way because they're super loose. But yeah, I'm going to do that on the rail and then go inside and end this video. Alright, alright. I am so sweaty. Oh, they grind really well. I didn't mean to zoom in. Okay, so about the trucks. They grind super well. My rail wasn't waxed enough, so I kept sticking. And they were way too loose. Every time when I try to do a trick, as I pop, the trucks they would like press down. Every movement they pressed down, and it messed you up so bad. And I really like my trucks kind of loose, but those are way too loose. Like every trick that I did, I got wheel bite. Every trick that I did got wheel bite. That sucks. So I'm gonna tighten these. They're really good. They grind super well. They just need a break in, you know. But I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna tighten these trucks a little bit, and then go to bed and edit this video and post it and stuff, and then go to bed. Yeah, go to bed. You guys go to bed too. Ready? Ready? Okay, you guys see it? I miss. Have a great day.